friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today we are learning how to do the Alpine stitch. I am super obsessed with this stitch. It's absolutely one of my favorites. I use it in a ton of different projects. So this one gives a lot of texture. It's really, really pretty. I guess the best thing for me to do is just show you how to do it, so let's get to it. Hi friends, real quick, if you want to learn how to get these amazing ergonomic hooks in this super cute yarn bag, make sure you check out the link in the description below.
Alright, so like I said, we're doing the Alpine stitch today. So this one is a lot of fun. It is a super textured stitch. So to start off, we just make our slip knot, and then we're going to chain in multiples of 2. So I'm going to do 12, so we'll chain 12. And so we have our 12, and then we're going to crochet one more. So we'll chain a total of 13. And then in the second chain from the hook, so not this stitch right here, but the next one, we're going to single crochet all the way across. Okay, so we got to the end of our row, and now we are going to chain 2, and this will count as our next stitch and turn our work. So we will not put a stitch in this spot right here. We're going to yarn over and put a double crochet in the next stitch. And we're going to continue doing double crochets all the way across. Alright, and then we'll put our last double crochet in here. And then we will chain 1 and turn our work. So we have all of our double crochets done. And then we will do a single crochet in the first stitch and single crochet all the way across this part. And make sure you put that last single crochet in that chain 2 spot where we had done our chain 2 for the double crochet. Alright, so now we're at the end. We're going to chain 2 and turn our work, and we're going to skip this first part right here, this first row, and around this double crochet down here, we're going to do a front post double crochet. So we're going to ignore that single crochet on top and do a front post double crochet here. And then we will yarn over, and in the second stitch, so not this one, but here, we're going to do a double crochet. And then we will yarn over, skip this post here, and go over to the next one, and put a front post double crochet there. So then we'll skip the single crochet behind, and we will double crochet here, and then skip this post and go into the next one and do a front post there. And you can see how this is already starting to work up. Alright, so we're at the last stitch, and in this last stitch we're also just going to put a double crochet in that last stitch. So this is what, well, this is what it looks like right now, and you can already see how pretty this is. And then we'll just chain 1, turn our work, and we're just going to put a single crochet in each stitch all the way across. And then don't forget to put a single crochet in that last chain right there. And then we will chain 2 and turn our work. Alright, so we finished it, we did our chain 2 and we turned our work. So now what we're going to do is we're going to skip this first row like we have been, and we're going to put a double crochet on top of this front post right here. So we put a double crochet here, and then around this double crochet we're going to put a front post double crochet, and then double crochet, and then around this double crochet we will do a front post. So that way we're alternating where our front posts are, so they're not right on top of each other. And we'll just continue that to the end of the row. So on top of this front post, you see we skip that stitch right there. So on top of the front post we do a double crochet, and then around this double crochet we do a front post, and then we skip, and then we do another front post. And then in the last stitch we will do another double crochet, and you can see how the texture looks on this. So all of these alternate on how your front post double crochets go. All right, and then for your next row we're just gonna chain 1, turn our work, and we will single crochet, and we're just gonna keep repeating this over and over again. So we'll do our single crochet row every time we go back, and then we will alternate where we put our front post double crochets and our regular double crochets on that row. It's quite simple. It's a nice way to add texture into your patterns. But yeah, so that is the Alpine stitch. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comments below. I love this texture. I think it's so pretty. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you have any questions, like I said, leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!